Welcome to your Connect course. In this tutorial, we'll explore your course and share some tips on how to make the most out of your study time. This is your Connect homepage. Moving left to right, you'll see the black menu bar, your instructor information, course materials, the ebook, access to the Read Anywhere app, course resources, and your assignment list. Let's begin by clicking on the menu icon located in the top left corner. Your course menu provides the following tabs: your account information, a to-do list of your assignments along with their due dates, a calendar view of assignments, quick access to all your Connect courses, your course results, and course insights. Please note that course results and insights are covered in a separate tutorial. At the bottom of the course menu, you may log out or contact our customer support team for immediate assistance. Returning to your course homepage, you will find options for accessing a printed copy of your textbook, as well as access to your ebook. Under Read, click on the image of your textbook to open the ebook. Just below the ebook, you'll see Download the mobile app to read offline, which will provide information on the mobile app Read Anywhere. The Read Anywhere app allows you to access your ebook anytime, anywhere, on your smartphone or tablet, even if you're offline. Simply log in with your Connect username and password and start reading. Read Anywhere is available for most McGraw-Hill titles on iOS in the Apple App Store, as well as for Android in the Google Play Store. In the next tutorial, we'll explore how to access and complete your assignments.